Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to go buy a boat. Let's get started. Been looking for a boat for a while. My family likes to spend some time camping out on the lake, tubing, water skiing. We like to do lots of different things. So we didn't have a boat. We've rented boats in the past and had a lot of fun, so we just decided to try to buy one. So the boat I'm going to look at today is a 1992 Sunbird. It's an 18-foot runabout with an open bow. You can see 3 people up in the front, walk through windshield. So I'm going to go take a look at it. It's rainy today. Hopefully that doesn't hamper my efforts, but if it's a decent looking boat, we're going to bring it home, and then we'll start a series on repairing a boat. The boat does have a few issues. They tell me it needs a bilge pump. It also needs a battery and some linkage adjustments. So I thought, well, if you're going to buy a boat, buy one with a few things wrong with it, make some repairs, make a good video series. So here we go. Let's go find this boat. Away we go. So we bought the boat. You can see it back there. And I don't have any lights on the trailer. And I just passed a state policeman. So the boat does need some work. I think I told you the other stuff it needed. But it also is going to need some work in the floor. It's got some soft spots in the floor, so we're going to have to fix that too. Alright, it's a few days later. I'll give you a tour of the boat. So it's in decent shape. It needs a few odds and ends. But it is an 8-seater. And I'm not going to pull the cover back, but there's 2 seats up front. 2 seats here, one for the driver and the passenger, and then you can probably fit 3 or 4 back here. There is a cover piece that goes over this, and I've got it off right now. It's in bad shape, needs to be rebuilt. It does run. I've already had it running. Gonna have to put a bellows on it. Actually, I don't think these are bellows, but they're exhaust couplers, something like that. This one's no good. The other one's in good shape, so got to replace that. Change the oil. Needs some power steering fluid, and it needs fuel pump, fuel liner in. I've started running it, and it needs a new fuel filter. Had to put a battery on it. I have had it running, so I know it does run. Runs good, actually. It hadn't been, I don't guess it had been started in a while when I got it, but whenever I first lick of the key, it fired right up. So seems to be running in good shape. So the plan is to get it water ready, get it running good, make sure it's gonna be okay that way, and then we're gonna put it out on the water and see how good she does. We'll probably, if we can get it going good enough and get it decent enough, we'll probably use it this summer, and then this fall I'm planning on making some better repairs and stuff to it. But right now we just want to get it water worthy and get it out on the water and get some enjoyment out of it. So that's going to do it for this one, for the boat project, boat build we're going to call it. And make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, so you can follow the build, see what we do with it. We got a lot of plans, just not going to happen all at once. I'm going to have a few videos here in the next little bit of getting everything tidied up and water ready, and then this fall we'll do a full series on it where we go through it and completely clean it all up and make it look better, try to put it back close to new. So make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys.